Hi, I'm Dave with Moov Products. Today we're going to talk about the electrical connection on your Moov heat pump. Let's take a look at the electrical connection on your Moov heat pump. Remember, any electrical work should always be completed by a licensed professional. To start on the terminals, on the left side we have L1 and L2, where your electrical connection is brought in. Then we have the ground, followed by P1 and P2, which are there for any external pump connections. Terminals 5 and 6 contain the jumper for an external control panel assembly. Before you remove the jumper, it's important to remember to set your temperature settings on the control panel. Then you can remove the jumper and it will act as an on-off at the desired set point.